Hey guys, how's it going? Tonight I'm going to a car meet, and so I'm taking the Supra. Apparently, 2 meets are supposed to come into one. Two really big ones. There's a really big one tonight on the east side, another really big one on the west side. We're all supposed to merge into one and then go for a little drive tonight, so we'll see how that goes. I try and vlog as much as I can.
A few moments later.
Try and vlog as much as I can, but yeah, it should be a great night. I'm a bit behind on my videos, I do apologise about that, but the Supra is a bit grubby tonight. I haven't watched us in Sydney, and we're back in Melbourne now, so what a night it's gonna be. Hopefully not a lot of clean cars there. I did just come back from the car wash washing another car. Left hand shift, right hand shift. Yeah, so I came back from the car wash, washing another car. Everyone's taking these really nice cars out. I didn't know what the car meet was gonna be like. I was like, damn, I gotta go get my Supra. So I'm in it now. We're on our way. We've got Aiden and Jesse, who you don't know. I'll introduce you guys to him later. And Danny in our car. And yeah, it should be a crazy night. It's a bit dark now. Yeah, so I do apologise for the videos that are a bit backed up. I've got a little bit to do. Oh yeah, I was gonna do a vlog of the F1, but there was a lot of like sponsorships and everything like that, and I wasn't too sure exactly what I can and what I can't film right now. And there was everywhere you looked, it was just so much advertising. But I did film a bit of stuff for you guys. Yeah, well, I'll try and add it into this clip or sometime soon. But yeah, if you guys went, best thing in Melbourne. It was a great time, great show, nice car scene there for the car show. I love to see like some of the classics, some of the new, some of the olds, some of the upcomings. Yeah, overall just a great time. Even seen the F1 cars. It's the main show, but yeah, now we're on our way now. So yeah.
And your vaccination status.
Wow. Look at this thing.
Mask on, but I had to do a double take. I thought he was actually and he looked like a kid that had come straight off his PlayStation when he was walking out around the track. He's almost gone full circle. I'm really enjoying just the relaxed nature of Sebastian Vettel.
I thought there was police behind me, so I didn't vlog for a little bit on entering in. There's not as much people as were a long time ago. Not long ago, but like since last time I was here. But we'll see how it goes tonight. It's quite a lot of nice cars here, so everyone's crowding around Aiden's 300. So should be good. Alright, I'll let you know, update ya. Some people rock up here. I had a nice conversation with this father. Sorry, there's just a lot of cars coming in. And he had this nice Infinity Gran Turismo. And it looked really good, but he couldn't get it started. But hopefully he gets that fixed. He said there was some electrical issues, gremlins. But yeah, no. He was a great guy. Loved having chats with people. It was a great vibe. A lot of people around. There was a lot of police, but hopefully all goes well here. It's Ryan's birthday today. It's a little boys. Yeah, Ryan's birthday. Happy birthday. Thanks, bro. So yeah, change of plan. We are going for a cruise, but not a big one. We left the Springvale car mate a while ago. And now we're like near Whittlesea, so you can kind of see the view. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. It's a nice view, but we're really high up. We haven't even got to the lake yet. 3 hours.
James is just getting his car out.
Yeah. James is going to get his car. We're just waiting here for him. And everyone else is here. I really need to pee, but obviously you want to use the toilet, you know? Trees aren't used to pee on.
Nah, you gotta mark your territory, bro. You need to mark your territory.
I'll be back. I want to try and get some good views. You're an idiot. Go shoot flames now.
Oh, Danielle.
Just as is, just right here. Just move up a bit, maybe.
I don't think it will.
Things wild. Yeah, just move up maybe a little bit.
I don't reckon it will.
Just give it a go.
Is that heaps?
Yeah, it should be alright. All the way.
My apex sills, man.
So that was close.
Did it?
Nah,
Yeah.
it wanted to.
Yeah, maybe two. That's all.
Just gotta bump the.
Yeah. Yeah, rotary.
Rotary
King.
Kings.
Say that at the same time. Rotary King. One more time, she'll be right.
Doritos! So let it idle for a bit.
Yeah, let it idle, let it idle.
Yeah, I reckon. Yeah. What a machine.
What a machine.
I love this car. Can't even see anyone. Oh, there he is.
I gotta take a photo of this, but
That's right.
hey, I can do it in first gear here.
You want to do it in first gear? Yeah, do it in first gear.
He's determined.
You really? I'll film it as well.
He's determined.
I want it to work.
I'll clip it for you.
I'll turn around. I'll warm it up and then I'll come back.
Alright, man. It's not already warm. Yeah, you missed it!
Oh, I missed it. I heard the pop.
He'll come back. Surely tell him to come back around.
Yeah, he's coming back. He's coming back.
He'll pop flames past us, surely. Hopefully, the lucky.
I can't see crap.
Yeah, you can't see anything. I'm gonna get a flashlight out. Yeah, the same idea at the same time.
Same idea, same time.
Same idea.
Did you hear him turning around?
Yeah, he's coming.
Let's come back.
He's coming.
He's coming back.
I can't wait. This is gonna. It's gonna. Cop car.
I
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Nah, no one.
Cop car. Here he comes.
Alright, let's turn lights off.
Lights off. Lights off.
We get that flame.
I see yellow. Come on.
Yeah, little one.
Oh, tiny one, tiny one.
He's determined, man.
I'm so sorry for swearing.
Sorry, guys.
I won't swear this time.
Oh no, that was good. Watch him do it again.
You should see the ones he does, but
Yeah.
huge and they stay.
Well, Courtney,
he's
we'll
driving,
film
it
it, we'll
makes
clip
sense.
it while we're in the car.
Yeah, get
Yeah,
Courtney to
I'm-
try and get
yeah.
a clip of it, yeah.
He's gone. I literally can't see him. There's no lights. I've turned off all the lights so we can see headlights or anything.
I'm waiting to record it, but it's not coming back.
I'll even see the line. True. How far did it go?
One thing with the road took him.
Even though we're probably going down there.
He's come back.
What if he broke down?
He's
Someone-
like, yeah, I need a survey.
What if he broke down?
I honestly don't think he's come back.
Do we want to chuck him a call? Wait, we'll wait 5 more minutes. If he's not here 5 minutes.
No, I can hear him.
He's probably gonna get really hot this time.
Yeah, he's warmed it up.
Oh, I can hear the turbo.
Yeah, he's warmed it up.
Here he is. Just ready to boogie. A little one.
Nah, there's only one. There's only one.
A little one.
They were kind of small ones, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. You're not drunk this time.
He does
I tripped over that.
I was doing it down there, but not here.
Yeah.
There was some.
It was some of the, they were little pops.
Yeah.
Little pops,
Little
but
nice ones.
Should have seen the ones you were doing on the way. Like, they were like this big.
Yeah,
and they
they
were
were-
like there for like a solid second.
yeah.
Or two.
You like the video you're showing me of what's his face?
Oh,
They're like up there, they're like that.
Well, I used a bit of petrol as well. I was up like halfway in between there
Oh jeez.
and there. Yeah.
Oh jeez.
That's fine.
You'll be right. She's so hot. I feel like so much
Yeah, I
heat
can
right
feel
now.
it as well. Anyway.
Yeah, let her cool down now. Do a Yui, come back.
What car is it?
Yeah, he's got one lighter.
That's the 300.
Where's that one? Sauce.
Ryan, I'm so tired. Tuck me to bed.
Hey.
Tuck me in. It's like 1:17. So tired. We're in King Lake. It's bloody freezing.
Yeah, it's cold up here.
Like, I'm shivering. I'm only in shorts and this. Connor's got a big smile. He's not cold. If it was cold, the camera would be like this.
Yeah, I'm living.
I think we're gonna go.
Send it.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's sending it.
Great.
We did 50 Ks. How's it?
Yeah.
50 Ks an hour.
Nah, we definitely
50
only went
kilometers
50.
an hour. Maybe 55.
Definitely only 55.
No. We might be going down the other road.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go that way?
Yeah. We might be going down that other road.
Yes.
We'll see.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be good. I'm gonna be so tired, but I'm not gonna send it because I know how many wombats and
Yeah.
we're probably gonna go back the other way.
Mountain run.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, I'm tired as too.
Yeah, no, I'm keen to get my pee soon though.
Oh yeah. It's very soon.
It's gonna be a bit
I forgot what I
grouse.
was gonna say. Honestly, forgot what I was gonna say. We missed the other cruise. That's what I was gonna say. We missed the other
cruise.
cruiser.
Yeah, I thought it would be a little bit too late.
I thought they'll be here about an hour ago.
Yeah.
Oh well.
How many people were there? Mark, Josh, that's it. More?
You missed the last one.
The last one.
I'll let you know. Just got back. It's like 4 a.m. right now. I'm super tired. I'm filming on my phone because my camera ran out of space. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the night. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. See you.